Welcome to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is the best place in the Caribbean. We're gonna have fun here.
Yes. You guys have fun. Be safe. Thank you. So nice. This is my last day, and today I just decided I'd give you guys a little stroll and literally walk with me as I explore San Juan. This is Old San Juan, so just wanted to bring you along with me. I'm just enjoying the evening out. I'm not really in the mood to go and dance, so I thought I'd have you come with me and just explore the town and notice the architecture and notice the floors, the cobblestones. You don't really see that besides in Spain and parts of Italy and France for sure. And as some of you may or may not know, Puerto Rico was actually conquered as well by the Spaniards, and that's why you can see the cobblestone, even the architecture. There's many areas in Spain that are very similar. This reminds me a lot of Andalusia, of Granada. There's places, even Tenerife, a lot of the islands, the Canary Islands, you know, they have all of these vibes, the palm trees, even the weather. I mean, walking and exploring, and even the streets, like the names in Spain, literally all the streets always just see like the signs on the walls. So that's also something else to like notice and compare compared to anywhere else. You won't see like posts. You'll literally just see them on the walls. So the street that we were just on was San Sebastian, and that's where the nightlife is, as you saw. You guys are definitely keeping me company, so I'm happy you're here for that, and I really appreciate you. And I just want to show you and give you a little taste of what Puerto Rico's like. So I'm really happy to have you with me and explore this with me, because it's just beautiful. Everywhere you look, there's something. There's a mural, there's a saying. This one says, this is by Ricardo Agregia. He says, "Remember me as the Puerto Rican who's proud of his nationality and who decides his life before anybody does, because that's what being proud is." Damn, that's deep. I love poetry, I love art. I find it everywhere, and so when I find it, it's just really beautiful to see. And I need to get off the street. But we're gonna turn this corner here and see what's going on. And by the way, the weather is perfect. There's this slight little wind. Going up that street, making a right, is where we just were. So we just walked down that street and then made a turn, and then now we're on this street. So if we were to go up, we're gonna hit the street that we were just at. So because we're not partying tonight or doing anything like that, we're just gonna go back down to the main plaza. And in the main plaza, there's the Christopher Columbus statue, which you can actually also find that in Barcelona. As you know, Christopher Columbus was who conquered the United States and also Puerto Rico. So they have Christopher Columbus everywhere. I mean, that guy is the guy. And I want to show you guys that. So let's head there. Let's head there now. I'm kind of thirsty and a little hungry, and I just came across this little stand. There's not much open, but we have some fresh water, some lemon, pomegranate, watermelon. So we have coffee, bananas. Let's see what they've got here. ¿Estos son viñuelos? ¿Qué son estos?
¿Cuál?
Estos, los de acá abajo.
Los de abajo son pastelillos de guayaba.
Oh, vale, ¿me das uno? ¿Lo puedes calentar?
No se calienta.
¿O así se come?
Sí.
Okay. Okay, so they're made out of guayaba. You dijiste.
Otra cosa que quieras probar, tengo cream cheese with guava. You want to try that?
¿Ese es solamente guava? ¿O
And
tiene
cream
cream?
cheese.
Okay, no, yeah, that's okay. Cream cheese and guava.
Queso crema, quesito con guayaba.
This is so cute. Got a little guava and cheese baked good. I can't wait to try this. I'm waiting for a tea that I got, and then we're gonna make our way to this statue I want to show you guys. I had to throw the flash on because it's getting dark, you guys. It's almost midnight. I know I'm still on the streets, but I'm telling you, it's pretty lively out here. You guys saw. This looks like syrup, like the bad one, but it's not. It's actually hibiscus tea. I got some. It's like a hibiscus tea with some green tea and honey. And then I have the guava and cheese baked good. Look at this, it's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to finish this on our walk to the statue. Let's go. I'm excited to show you guys. All right, we are here.